In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert the BAK file to DWG file in AutoCAD. This is a quick, reliable way to get back to a previous version of a drawing if your original file is missing or corrupted. A BAK is simply a backup that AutoCAD creates automatically when you save a DWG. It usually sits in the same folder as your original drawing and contains the last saved state before the most recent change. First, open your file browser and navigate to the folder where your project files are stored. In most cases, you'll find a file with the same name as your drawing, but with the BAK extension. If you're not sure where it is, use the search box and type the file name or just .BAK to filter your results. Remember that the backup will reflect the last save, so it might be slightly older than the DWG you were working on. Before you rename it, make sure you can see file extensions. If you're on Windows, open File Explorer, go to the View menu and turn on File Name Extensions so you can actually edit the .BAK part. On macOS, in Finder, go to Settings or Preferences, open the Advanced tab, and enable Show All File Name Extensions. This step prevents you from accidentally changing only the file name while leaving the extension hidden. Now, rename the file by changing its extension from .BAK to .DWG. On Windows, right-click and choose Rename, or press F2. On a Mac, select the file and press Return. Replace the .BAK at the end with .DWG and confirm the change when prompted. If you want to be extra safe, make a copy of the BAK first, so you keep an untouched backup alongside the converted file. Once it's renamed, you can open it directly in AutoCAD, like any other drawing. Double-click it or launch AutoCAD and use Open to browse to the file. If your system asks which app to use, choose AutoCAD and consider setting it as the default for DWG files. When the drawing opens, review the content to confirm it's the version you expect, and then save it with a clear file name so you don't confuse it with newer iterations. If the file doesn't open or shows errors, try AutoCAD's recovery tools, such as the Recover command, and then save the repaired drawing. And keep in mind, the BAK represents the last saved state, so any unsaved edits made after that point won't be included. That's all there is to it. Locate the BAK, rename it to DWG, and open it in AutoCAD.